In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best Canva transition. We'll build it right inside the Canva editor and make sure your pages or clips flow in a clean, professional way. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor. Look down at your timeline. Between any two pages or video clips, hover your mouse until you see the Add Transition icon appear. It looks like a small plus or a triangle. Click that and the transition panel will slide out so you can choose exactly how you want your scene to move. The standout option here is called Match and Move. This is a top-rated transition because it creates seamless motion without you having to keyframe anything manually. It tracks your objects, text, and images across pages and animates them fluidly. So titles slide into place. Images glide between positions and layouts, transform with a polished, professional feel. It's also incredibly versatile. Creators use it to mimic a scrolling effect, to make product parts fly apart and reassemble in a dynamic explosion, or to zoom smoothly toward specific details for emphasis. The best part is its efficiency. Apply Match and Move, then simply duplicate a page and move the elements to their new positions. Canva does the heavy lifting and handles the complex math of the animation for you. If you are aiming for a different vibe, there are other strong choices. Dissolve is great for soft cinematic entries, or when you want to suggest the passage of time. Slide keeps energy high, which is perfect for fast-paced social content like short-form videos. Circle or line wipe adds a clean reveal, letting you draw attention to a new scene or a key moment. And flow works beautifully in presentations, maintaining a steady, professional rhythm that guides your audience from slide to slide. Once you've decided, select your desired transition from the side panel. Then adjust the duration slider to set the speed. The standard range runs from 0.1 to 2.5 seconds. Short durations feel snappy and are ideal for social clips or quick comparisons. Longer durations feel gentle and cinematic, giving space for dramatic reveals or reflective moments. Choose the timing that suits your content's pacing and the emotion you want to convey. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.